Alright, in this section we're going to be talking about partial fractions. So the key for partial fractions is when you look at the denominator, if it looks like it can be factored, you want to factor it. Now if you can cancel with the numerator, that's fantastic, but if you can't, well, you can't. So what we're going to do is we're going to factor at the bottom. We can take out an x, and leaves us with an x minus 4. So we're going to try to break this into two factors where you get your x plus 2 over x times x minus 4. So that's going to be a over x plus something else, b over x minus 4. Now, if you end up getting a quadratic factor like x squared minus 4, the numerator is always going to be one less degree. So these are of degree 1, so my numerator has to be of degree 0. If I had x squared on the bottom, then I would have like ax squared plus b. I would have a linear on the top. If it was x cubed on the bottom, then I would have a quadratic on the top. But lucky for us, the AP exam doesn't really deal with that. If you take Calc 2 in college, you might see it, and you'll definitely see it in differential equations. But we'll keep it to the kind of easy ones. So what we're going to do is we're going to basically we're going to multiply through by the least common denominator. So we're going to multiply everything by x and the x minus 4. And what happens on the left side, they all cancel out and leaving you with x plus 2 equals a, the x's cancel, leaving us with an x minus 4, plus b, the x minus 4's cancel for b, leaving us with just x. Now, probably the easiest way of doing this is a little bit counterintuitive. Like, x cannot equal 0 and x cannot equal 4 in the original problem. However, I believe it's called the Heaviside method. You just pick the numbers that x shouldn't be able to be and plug them in. So if we're going to let x equal to 0, which seems like I can't do, but I have no problem here, what happens? I get 2 equals a times negative 4, and then plus b times 0. Nothing. So a equals negative 1/2. It's fantastic. Works out really fast. If we're going to let x equal to, well, if I want to cancel out the a term, I'm going to let it be 4.